Ever wondered how to repair a hole in your drywall panel? It's a common household issue many face, but fear not. Today we're going to walk through the process step by step, providing a comprehensive guide on how to fix it like a pro. First things first, gather all the necessary tools. You'll need a utility knife, a drywall saw, a new piece of drywall, a drywall patch, joint compound, a putty knife, sandpaper, and paint to match your wall. Begin by cutting out a square or rectangular section around the damaged area using your utility knife. This creates a clean, manageable area to work with. Next, measure this cutout area. You'll need these dimensions to cut your replacement piece of drywall. Now let's move on to the replacement piece. Using the measurements taken from the cutout area, mark out an identical piece on your new drywall sheet. Cut this piece out using the drywall saw. Remember safety first. Always keep your hands clear of the blade. With your replacement piece ready, it's time to secure it into place. Apply a layer of joint compound around the edges of the hole using your putty knife. Place your new piece of drywall into the hole and press it firmly into the compound. This will secure the patch in place. Ensure the joint compound is applied evenly and smoothly. This will make the patch blend seamlessly into the wall. Once the compound is dry, usually after about 24 hours, sand it down until it's smooth and flush with the rest of the wall. Now comes the final touch, painting. Apply a coat of primer first, allowing it to dry before adding the final layer of paint. This ensures the paint adheres properly and provides a uniform finish. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to repairing a hole in your drywall panel. To recap, you start by cutting out a square around the damaged area, measure it, and cut out a similar piece from a new drywall sheet. Apply joint compound around the hole. Place the new piece and smooth out the compound. Finally, after letting it dry, sand it down and apply primer and paint. With this guide, you're now well equipped to handle any unfortunate accidents that might befall your drywall. Remember, it's all about patience and precision. Happy repairing.